Hey everybody, Andrew here with Green Power Energy, and today I'm excited to bring you another video here in our solar field. Right beside me I have our Tesla Powerwall product, and today I'm going to address probably the most common inquiry we get from existing customers, which is, should I add battery storage to my existing system? That's a great question. The short answer is it's super easy to do. You should definitely consider it. No matter what we installed for you, whether the inverter product, the panel product, we can find a retrofit solution, whether it be with this Tesla Powerwall or our Enphase Encharge product. With Green Power Energy, we're going to make sure that you completely understand what you're getting and manage your expectations as far as what critical loads you're going to power in the house. You're going to have a design review meeting with us where we're going to confirm exactly what loads are going to be powered by that product, so you go into it with a clear picture and peace of mind. Now, these products are used for backup. So we're talking about you use these when the grid goes down in severe weather or any kind of random grid outages. So how does it compare to other options that you might have? One might be you have a gas generator on the street. That option can be pretty price competitive. You're still paying for the gas, and also, just like a lot of gas engines, whether it be your car or your furnace at home, you do need to pay for the yearly maintenance. The other situation, if there's no gas on the street, might be that you need to roll in a gasoline generator, hoard gasoline, pour it in, all that. That could be pretty costly, pretty cumbersome, and probably not as good as this in terms of what it can power. It'll be pretty limited. The other option then, if you don't have gas on the street, is to invest in a massive propane tank, install that, fill that with propane, which is quite costly, and then actually only be able to power the home in the finite time that you can use that stored propane. So in that situation, these batteries become really, really competitive, and across the board they do as well. The big change has been that now you can get the 30% tax credit just off the battery product. That's new since the Inflation Reduction Act. It used to be that you had to do batteries and storage to do that. Now you can do it with just a battery retrofit. And in a market like Connecticut, for example, that we operate in Eversource or UI territory there's an incentive called the Energy Storage Solutions Rebate. And that will give you additional money up front, as well as money every year when you discharge the battery into the grid in what's known as a demand response event. So give us a call. We're going to take a look at what we installed for you. We're going to take a look at what you want to power with the home, and we're going to find the right solution for you, whether it be this Tesla Powerwall, the Enphase Encharge. We'll make sure that the system is right for your home, powers what you need, and that you get the available incentives. Thank you very much.